Welcome to Newfoundland and Labrador, a province in eastern Canada where the wild North Atlantic meets the rugged ancient landscapes of North America. This video will take you on a journey through some of the most breathtaking natural wonders of this incredible region. From the dramatic fjords carved by ancient glaciers to the serene beauty of its many lakes and rivers. Prepare to be captivated by the raw beauty and untamed spirit of Newfoundland and Labrador, a land where adventure awaits around every corner.
Our journey begins on the edge of the continent, where the land meets the sea in a dramatic clash of elements. Towering cliffs, some of the highest in North America, rise majestically from the depths of the Atlantic, their sheer rock faces etched with the passage of time. Sheltered coves, tucked away between the cliffs, offer glimpses of tranquility, their sandy beaches washed by the cool, clear waters of the North Atlantic. And then there are the fishing villages, colorful specks of human life clinging to the edge of the world. These are places steeped in maritime history, where generations of fishermen have braved the North Atlantic in pursuit of its bounty. The coast of Newfoundland and Labrador is a place of contrasts where rugged beauty meets serene tranquility.
We venture now inland, to a place where the Earth's ancient history is laid bare, revealing secrets that have been locked away for millennia. This is a landscape sculpted by the relentless forces of plate tectonics, where the Earth's crust has been pushed and pulled over eons. The slow grind of glaciers has carved out valleys and fjords, leaving behind a dramatic and rugged terrain. This is Gros Morne National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a testament to the power of deep time, where every rock tells a story of the Earth's past. Here, towering mountains, their peaks often shrouded in mist, rise abruptly from the shores of Bonne Bay, creating a stunning contrast between land and water. Bonne Bay itself is a fjord carved by glaciers during the last ice age, a reminder of the planet's glacial past. The sheer scale of the landscape is breathtaking, with vast expanses that stretch as far as the eye can see. It's a powerful reminder of the immense geological forces that have shaped our planet over billions of years. The park is a paradise for hikers, with trails winding through dense forests of balsam fir and black spruce, offering a serene escape into nature. These trails lead past cascading waterfalls and pristine lakes, each turn revealing a new natural wonder. As we stand on the summit of Gros Morne Mountain, the highest peak in the park, we are rewarded with panoramic views that stretch out in all directions, a sight that is both humbling and awe-inspiring. From this vantage point, the true scale and beauty of Gros Morne are fully revealed, a testament to the natural forces that have shaped this land. Gros Morne National Park is a place of profound beauty and geological significance, where the Earth's history is written in stone and every formation tells a story. It is a place that invites us to ponder the vastness of geological time and the incredible processes that have shaped our world.
Our journey takes us now to the icy waters off the coast of Newfoundland and Labrador, a region known as Iceberg Alley. Here, every spring, a procession of giant icebergs drifts south from Greenland, their massive forms a testament to the power of nature. These frozen behemoths, some taller than skyscrapers, have journeyed thousands of miles. Their journey beginning high in the Arctic, where they carved from glaciers ancient rivers of ice that flow slowly towards the sea. The deep blue of its core, compressed over millennia, contrasts sharply with the brilliant white of its surface, sculpted by wind and waves into intricate shapes. Seabirds circle overhead, their calls echoing across the water, while seals bask on the ice floes, their dark eyes watching us curiously. The sight of these icebergs, these majestic wanderers from the frozen north, is a reminder of the interconnectedness of our planet.
Newfoundland and Labrador is a land teeming with life, a haven for a remarkable diversity of creatures, each adapted to the challenges of this rugged environment. From the dense forests to the expansive tundra, every corner of this region is alive with activity. The unique geography and climate create a perfect sanctuary for wildlife, making it one of the most biodiverse areas in the world. Off the coast, whales breach the surface of the water, their massive bodies a testament to the abundance of life in these nutrient-rich waters. These gentle giants travel thousands of miles to feed and breed in these waters, creating a spectacular display for those lucky enough to witness it. Humpback whales, their long flippers slapping the surface, put on acrobatic displays, while pods of orcas, the ocean's apex predators, patrol the depths. These majestic creatures are a vital part of the marine ecosystem, playing crucial roles in maintaining the balance of life in the ocean. On land, the forests and tundra are home to a variety of creatures, each adapted to the challenges of their environment. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, every species has carved out a niche in this diverse landscape, contributing to the rich tapestry of life. Caribou, their hooves clicking against the rocks, migrate across the tundra in search of lichen, their primary food source. These migrations are a testament to their resilience and adaptability, as they traverse vast distances to sustain their herds. Moose, the largest members of the deer family, browse on the vegetation in the boreal forests, their massive antlers a testament to their strength. These solitary giants are a symbol of the wilderness, embodying the raw, untamed beauty of Newfoundland and Labrador. The skies above are alive with birds, their calls echoing through the air. From the smallest songbirds to the largest raptors, the avian population adds a vibrant layer to the region's biodiversity, each species playing a unique role in the ecosystem.
We journey now into the heart of Labrador, a land of vast, untamed wilderness where the hand of man has barely touched the landscape. Here, nature reigns supreme, unchallenged and unspoiled. The Torngat Mountains, their jagged peaks piercing the sky, dominate the horizon, a testament to the power of geological upheaval. These mountains tell a story of Earth's ancient past, shaped by forces beyond our comprehension. These ancient mountains, some of the oldest on Earth, are home to glaciers, remnants of the last ice age, their icy tongues slowly carving their way through the valleys. These glaciers are living relics, constantly reshaping the land. The forests here are a tapestry of green and gold, a mix of coniferous and deciduous trees, their branches reaching towards the sky. This diverse forest ecosystem supports a myriad of wildlife, each species playing a crucial role in maintaining the balance of nature. Rivers, their waters icy cold and crystal clear, cut through the landscape, their banks lined with wildflowers in a riot of color. These rivers are the lifeblood of the wilderness, nourishing the flora and fauna that thrive here. As we stand on the edge of a vast expanse of tundra, the wind whipping at our faces, we feel the raw power of nature. We are struck by the immensity of this wilderness. It stretches out endlessly, a reminder of the world's untouched beauty. The vast wilderness of Labrador is a reminder of the importance of preserving wild places for their beauty, for their biodiversity, and for the sense of awe and wonder that they inspire. In these untouched lands, we find a connection to the earth that is both humbling and exhilarating.
Newfoundland and Labrador recognizes the importance of safeguarding its natural treasures, and throughout the province, you'll find a network of protected areas, each with its own unique character and ecological significance. Terra Nova National Park, on the island's eastern coast, is a place of dramatic contrasts, where the boreal forest meets the sea. Here, you can hike through stands of towering white pine and black spruce, their branches draped with old man's beard, a type of lichen that thrives in the humid air. The park's coastline is equally impressive, with rocky headlands jutting out into the North Atlantic, pounded by waves that have traveled thousands of miles. Cape St. Mary's Ecological Reserve, at the island's southernmost tip, is a haven for seabirds, one of the largest colonies in North America. These protected areas, along with many others throughout the province, are a testament to Newfoundland and Labrador's commitment to conservation.
As darkness descends upon the land, a magical transformation takes place in the skies above Labrador. The northern lights, also known as the aurora borealis, dance across the night sky, painting the heavens with vibrant hues of green, purple, and red. This celestial display is caused by charged particles from the sun colliding with atoms in the Earth's atmosphere, their energy released as light. Labrador, with its northern latitude and lack of light pollution, is one of the best places in the world to witness this breathtaking phenomenon. The best time to see the lights is during the winter months, when the nights are long and dark. Imagine standing beneath a sky ablaze with color, the air crisp and cold, the only sound the crunch of snow beneath your feet. The northern lights shimmer and swirl above you, their ethereal beauty taking your breath away.
As our journey through the natural wonders of Newfoundland and Labrador comes to an end, we hope you've been inspired by the raw beauty and untamed spirit of this remarkable province. We encourage you to explore this beautiful province for yourself, to experience its breathtaking landscapes and rich cultural heritage firsthand. Until next time, keep exploring.